What you should and shouldn't buy at the Dollar Tree. It doesn't matter what your income is. The Dollar Tree is a haven for everyone. We all know the rule. You get what you paid for applies to most things in life, including Dollar Tree products. It can be ridiculously fun to shop at the Dollar Tree. Whether it be going on a shopping spree for items for your new apartment or just shopping for party supplies, the Dollar Tree seems to literally have everything. From cheap do-it-yourself products to everything in between, the Dollar Tree can seem like heaven for people who want to go on a cheap shopping spree. But while shopping at any dollar store is fun and ridiculously easy on the wallet, there are certain things you should avoid buying, and in this video, we'll tell you exactly what those things are. Before we begin this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on all of our awesome life hacks, tips, and tricks from your #1 bestie. And make sure you tell your friends about our channel so they can join in on the fun. Now, number 9, electronics. Anything with a cable that connects to a power source. Just avoid them completely so you don't have to worry about damaging your expensive electronics at home or burning your house down. It might sound paranoid, but the stats are in and they're not looking so good. The U.S. Consumer Safety Committee has been warning people about the dangers of buying low-quality Dollar Tree electronics since 1999. Electronics can be pricey, but there's also a reason for that. When purchasing electronics, it's best to make the transaction from an actual electronic retailer or online store rather than risking it for that unbeatable price. Even with more and more people becoming aware of the dangers of Dollar Tree electronics, incidents continue to happen. More recent warnings have highlighted products that most people wouldn't assume to be hazardous, including holiday mini lights and portable heaters. However, these dangers aren't just limited to products that light up and electronic gadgets. The warnings extend to USB cables, chargers, extension cords, and really anything in and out of the electronics aisle. A study showed cheap cables found in dollar stores tested positive for chlorine. It's a sign that they're made with PVC, a chemical known to have caused cancer in the people working at the factories where these products are made. Number 8, certain plastics. The key word is certain, and I'll explain why. Dollar store toys have been recalled by the Consumer Product Safety Commission for a long time now. The reasons include a high content of lead and small pieces that break off easily, creating a choking hazard. Plus, anything that breaks easily isn't the best for toddlers. Do you want to know what types of things you should be buying from the Dollar Tree? Well, keep watching until the very end and find out. Number 7, plastic cooking utensils. Another item you shouldn't buy at any dollar store are cooking utensils. The plastic cooking utensils sold at most of the stores contain bromine, a flame retardant, and a known carcinogen. According to the National Institute of Environmental Sciences, bromine and any brominated flame retardant, BFR, is also linked to birth defects and neurological problems. Number 6, beauty, skin, and hair products. Most of the negative reviews on the known brand products aren't about health or safety concerns. They're about the durability of the brands. Consumers found that brand beauty, skin, and hair products sold at the dollar store cost less, but they include a lot less product than their grocery store counterparts. Number 5, canned foods. There are plenty of reasons why you should opt to get your canned goods at a grocery store instead. The most important one, safety. A report by ToxicFoodCans.org showed that dollar store off-brands or private label canned goods contained worrisome levels of BPA. These chemicals can harm the healthy development in children and reproductive health. Number 4, plastic bags. There isn't anything harmful when it comes to dollar store plastic bags, but they are low in quality. If you're fairly light with the garbage you produce, these bags may work for you. However, these bags do rip when it comes to heavier loads, which results in more of a mess than you started with. Number 3, towels. The fabrics that make up towels from dollar stores tend to be low-grade materials and won't be very durable. This low-grade fabric won't absorb water as intended, which means they may be cheap, but they won't do their job. You'll end up having to buy twice as many dollar store towels as you would good ones. Number 2. Vitamins. Vitamins aren't cheap at grocery stores, which prompts customers to seek cheaper options. However, the Dollar Tree shouldn't be an option. Daily Finance did a study that found half of the 18 multivitamins they tested were missing vital ingredients. These vitamins may not be dangerous, but you'll be paying by losing money. Number 1. Meat. Meat from the dollar store doesn't sound appetizing, but it doesn't mean some don't sell it. Remember, the dollar store isn't a grocery store and the same preparation process is not involved. It's best to completely steer clear of the dollar store meats, as they will most likely be tasteless and could in fact make you sick. Now that you know what not to buy from the Dollar Tree, here are some things that you should absolutely buy from the Dollar Tree. Number 6. Party supplies and gift wrap. The Dollar Tree has some pretty amazing do-it-yourself products that you can use to make party supplies and gifts. And, of course, seasonal decorations, gift bags, wrapping paper, and cards. The Dollar Tree is the go-to place for all the things that involve decorating and parties. Dollar stores dedicate aisles to this kind of stuff, and it's what they're best at. Particularly, temporary goods for things like events. Party prep is never fully done without a trip to the dollar store. Number 5. Glassware. Most of the glass products at your local Dollar Tree are just as good as the stuff you find at Walmart. This includes drinking glasses, frames, vases, decorative bowls, and mugs. Dollar stores have a lot of different colors and styles in all of those items, so you're bound to find something you like. The Dollar Tree is one of the best places to shop for things you need for an apartment, especially if you just moved in somewhere and you need a whole laundry list of new items. You can potentially save yourself hundreds of dollars by shopping at the dollar store, as opposed to bigger stores like Walmart, where you're more likely to pay much more for the same items. Number 4. Cleaning supplies. When it comes to cleaning supplies, most of them all contain the same ingredients that get the job done. It may not have the same appealing packages as big brands or the same exquisite scent, but Dollar Tree cleaning supplies are just as good as brand name when it comes to cleaning. Number 3. Candy. Candy is candy no matter where you buy it, and the Dollar Tree has all the same brands you'll find anywhere else. Most of the time, you can get the same chocolate bars or sweet treats for a fraction of the price you would at a convenience store. You can buy a ridiculous amount of candy at the Dollar Tree for a ridiculously low price, which is why it's one of the best places to stock up on candy. Not only will you save money, but you'll also satisfy your sweet tooth. Number 2. Hair accessories. While you should probably err on the side of caution when it comes to actual hair products, hair accessories are fair game. From elastic bands to barrettes to scrunchies, the Dollar Tree usually has some incredible bargains compared to more commercialized outlets. Number 1. Do-it-yourself items. The Dollar Tree has all sorts of crafts and handy do-it-yourself products and tools you can buy that can pretty much help you make any craft. Whether you're thinking of making something for your home or are considering making a unique gift for a friend, the dollar store has everything you need. If you're a do-it-yourself type of person, the Dollar Tree is probably your second home, and we don't blame you. What are some things that you refuse to buy at the Dollar Tree? And what are some of your go-to items when going on a shopping spree at the dollar store? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.